In an emergency, every second matters. When an evacuation starts, the biggest question is no longer how many people work here. It is, where is everyone right now? With InThing's workforce intelligence, the entire facility becomes visible in real time. On the left, we see the digital floor plan of the building. Every employee is represented through a wearable tag, continuously detected across rooms, zones, work areas, and exits. On the right, the live dashboard translates that movement into clear operational numbers: people inside, people outside, people still unaccounted for, and people reaching emergency exits. As the evacuation begins, the system immediately shows the current situation. The floor plan updates as people move, while the dashboard tracks evacuation progress in real time. This is where visibility becomes critical. Instead of relying on radio calls, manual head counts, or delayed reports, safety teams can instantly see how many people are still inside and where they were last detected. If someone remains in assembly, shipping, offices, or any other area, the system highlights that location immediately. The platform does not only show numbers, it shows names, last known locations, last seen times, and movement history. That means emergency coordinators can act with precision, knowing who may need help, where to search first, and whether people are moving towards safety or still inside the risk area. As more employees exit the building, the dashboard confirms the change. The map view provides a clear building-level view, helping safety teams understand how many people have successfully left the facility. As employees exit, the dashboard confirms the change in real time, showing the number of people outside increasing, while the number of people still inside continues to decrease. Once the evacuation is complete, you can see an analytical record of the event: who evacuated, how quickly people moved, where delays happened, and which areas required attention. InThing helps organizations see their people, protect their workforce, and respond faster when it matters most.